Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix FiveM the selected path does not contain GTA5.exe file. Now, when this happens, this means that the executive file for your GTA 5 game is not inside the folder that you selected on your FiveM. Now, if you are installing your FiveM, you can just go ahead and click on the FiveM folder right here or the FiveM executable, and simply once inside you will be taken to the page where you then have to pinpoint the file location for your GTA 5. But if you already passed this step right here, you can just go ahead and simply find the locate folder on the FiveM application, and from there you will be able to go ahead and basically find the GTA 5.exe. If you got GTA 5 from your Steam, you can just navigate through your Steam library, and from here let's go ahead and say that this is my GTA 5. You then want to navigate through the properties option, click on the installed files, and from here you then want to click on browse. After clicking on browse, you then want to copy this file location right here, because what this means is that this is the game files for this specific game. In our case, it's going to be GTA 5, but I'm using this game as an example. So let's navigate back to the FiveM right here. And basically from here, all you have to do is to go through the game directory and select GTA 5.exe to be able to launch FiveM. So you then want to paste the file location, and from there it will then take you to the location where you then have to click on GTA 5. Well, if you don't have it installed into Steam, you can just go ahead and search for your application right here. So let's go ahead and say that this is my application called Audacity. You then want to go ahead and right click on the application, click on open file location. Once again, in our case, it's going to be GTA 5. And from here, you then want to go ahead and select the executable 5 for your GTA 5 game. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.